What's up, guys? So thank you for taking interest in our membership. We really appreciate it. I'm BR in the Discord. I'm the one posting the alerts, kind of giving out trade alerts, updates in the market, market analysis. And if you're looking to sign up, here's the page. And you should already see that. But this is kind of all the stuff that we offer. But I kind of wanted to make a video to walk through it so you can kind of get a better idea. Right now, it's $19.97 per month. And we have a free trial for seven days. So you get to try it out for a week, see if you like it. If you hate it, cancel it. You don't have to pay for it. But after that 1 week is up, then you'll start the month to month, about $20, just under. And so I wanted to kind of walk through here and give you some information on what we do on a week to week, day to day basis. So first off, we have our weekly watches class every Sunday, unless otherwise noted, going over the stuff that I'm watching going into this week. And all of those are recorded, and you can find those in the market analysis tab. And then also on top of that, I do trade recaps of winners, losers, all the above, and to kind of give you some insight as to why I took trades and all that good stuff. On top of that, I give my trade alerts. And so we have a section for people that trade futures, whether you're trying to get funded, are funded, or trading your own account. This is a tab for you right here. And we basically break down any trade alerts that any futures trades that I'm taking, primarily in the indexes, S&P 500, or the NASDAQ. And then we have our options channel where we're primarily most active, but we trade both. So in here, we have our trade alerts, and we can kind of take a look at what we did this week. And so you can kind of get a good idea of what we're doing here. So this week, April 17th, we went short ES. Today is Friday the 19th. And on April the 17th was the first trade alert of the week. So it was that Tuesday morning. We went short ES and told them they can take SPY puts if they prefer. First target was hit. We gained $300 per contract, and then we got back in, and then we got stopped out at break even, and that was kind of that for that moment. And then from there, we took some SPY zero data expiration, filled at 96, and looking for a breakout. And I kind of give updates throughout the day, but I also give updates in this channel as well. What I'm watching, kind of morning analysis, morning getting ready for the day, getting ready for the trading day. I post that in there, post updates on what I'm seeing in the market, stuff like that. And then I post my actual trade alerts in these two tabs here under the BR alerts. And so if you're looking here, you can see, okay, first, so we had this first trade, we're up 300, got stopped out on the remainder. We trimmed some, so we made about 300 per contract. Then next one got stopped out at break even. And then from there, we traded SPY, zero data expiration. I always like to mention, if you don't really know what that is, we have some people that are beginners and they don't know about zero data expiration. It's a great tool if you know how to use it, but I want to make sure people are sizing appropriately. So I just put a little warning on there, better safe than sorry, right? But if you know, you know. And we have plenty of resources to go over that, and I'll get into that later in the video. But on top of that, so kind of going through these alerts, I kind of update as we're moving into profit, where to move your stop losses, stuff like that. And so you can see here, these ended up going 150%, and that was the end of the trade. And oh, actually ended up going 197%. Sorry. We had runners that went all the way to 197%. So that was this trade here. I wanted to have that chart up so you could see it. It was this trade right here. So we got in right around here, this area. Actually, it was after this candle here. I alerted to get into this trade here, and then we rode puts all the way down. And once we got the punch below 500, we sold here. It just happened to be the low of the day. Doesn't always go that way, but it's nice when it was, and it was about 200% gain. And I've got the recap of that trade right in here. And then continuing through, SPY, zero data expiration puts. Not sure about the crying emoji because these ended up going 150%, and that was a trade we took today. And we got in here, got in right around here, and sorry, we got in right around here. It's all time stamped. Sometimes they can get away from you. 11:06, so it's always time stamped. And 11:06, so it would have been right on this candle here. We got that flush and caught a really nice move, which was 150% on that one there. And so, yeah, this is where I'd cash out. We broke the 9 EMA. So this is where I told them to get out of any runners that they were holding. So then from there, we made good money, 150% today. And I said, okay, only size with profits. And so we got into the 0 data expiration trade again. And then from there, looked for the break, which was we entered in here on this candle here. And then we got that flush down and had a nice move. And those ended up going 160%. And you can see that here, game over, target hit, all out at 160%. See you next week. So that was kind of the end of the week. So then from there, we have our tab where this kind of breaks down everything. We have an economic calendar that comes out every Sunday night, so you know exactly what's going on into the week. Do we have CPI? Do we have the Fed speaking? Do we have Jerome Powell talking? Do we have initial jobless claims? What kind of stuff is happening going into this week that we need to be aware about? And this is posted every Sunday, so you have this. And the most important things that are going on are highlighted in yellow, so you know exactly what you should be looking out for and when. And then from there, we have a analyst that goes in and posts charts every day and gives you trade ideas other than the trade alerts. We post these charts for you to kind of trade on your own if you choose to. And it's based on the strategy we teach, what we trade, and also kind of good setups that we think look good and good ones to trade. So these are all for your disposal, and you can trade them if you choose or not trade them. But it helps you get more familiar with the things we're trying to look for and the setups we're trying to look for in a variety of different popular stocks. So from there, we have a bot. You can see traders use this. We got dark pool data that people look through, top bullish and bearish flow. You can see that's used a lot. Hottest options chains. We have all different types of commands that are in here. I believe there's over, can't remember the exact amount, but here, this is where you can find all of those. So you click the tab up here, and so you can do AI predictions. That will pull that up. So if you're wondering what AI thinks of Apple, that will pull up for you, and you can just simply type that in. Or if you want to look at Tesla, whatever that is, SPY, whatever you want. And then options order flow, you can take a look at that. It summarizes all the order flow for you, so you don't have to dive through it with all these daunting tons and tons of data and orders that are coming in. They give you the hottest and most important ones just by a simple command typed in here. And then options heat map. So, okay, where is money flowing? Where is people spending money on and trading with? So like, what are the hottest stocks and options being traded right now? Unusual flow. Where is money flowing to that's not normally being flowed to? Where can we watch this? And then algo flow. This kind of takes an algorithm, and that's how most hedge funds are traded nowadays, algos. So we want to be aware of the way that they are trading, and that kind of sums it up for us there. And then from there, we've got dark pool prints, so the orders that are coming over in the late night, and big hedge funds that are trying to hide that information. We can get those, and those are good support and resistance levels. We can pull those support and resistance levels rather than looking at the orders. We can pull them from right there. We've got big movers of the day. If you just simply want to see that, okay, if you're swing trading, you want to see how Apple might do in the month of April or May, you can go in and see, okay, how's it done in the past few years? And you can type in that symbol, whether it's Tesla, anyone that you're looking at. Crypto, my crypto people, you can use this scanner to look up any of the coins that you're interested in. And then, hey, if you're a Reddit trader, we've got that for you too. If you want to know what they're talking about, what social media is talking about, the hottest stocks there, right at your fingertips. All you got to do is type in this code right here. So TR-chatter, and then type in whatever you're looking for, whatever outlet you're looking for. Like right here, you're looking for the big movers, TR-big movers. It'll tell you the big movers. TR-DP levels, and then you type in Apple if you're looking for Apple. So that's this Flowbot. I find it really useful. Our members really like it. And then we've got our own tax strategist where you got any questions, anything that you have concerns about in tax season, tax write-offs, any of that stuff, he is a specialist in it and he is dedicated to work with specifically you guys. So take advantage of him whenever the time rolls around and throughout the year. Just getting familiar with how you can utilize tax strategies and things like that. And then other than that, we've got our trade floor where people are literally talking all day and just having conversations, talking about the markets, trading together and all that good stuff. And it just makes it more of a fun community and we just talk and hang out. And then member gains, members be posting their gains, what they're making throughout the week off our signals chat and just the trades that they're playing on their own and just how they're growing as traders, as individuals, kind of just to see what they're doing, see what they're up to. And then these other stuff, this is kind of just fun stuff. But then for the premium members, we have our premium education. So this is like the top notch, top level, top shelf stuff that we offer in terms of education. We've got tons and tons and tons of videos, like a ridiculous amount. So there's tons of classes for you to take advantage of, countless hours. And I think the membership on its own with just this here, you literally, the membership is worth it just from this tab right here. Okay. So that's that. We've got broker tips. We've got education on futures if you're interested in trading those, especially if you want to get into it. We've got everything you need right here and it breaks it down for you. So like I said, that's the membership. You've seen the signals, you've seen all that stuff. And if you forget anything that's in there, boom, here you go. We have live trading on Fridays. We've got class on Tuesdays, class on Wednesday nights, and all for $19.97, and you get a free trial. So try it out. If you hate it, cancel it. That's all you got to do. And you won't get charged. But this is all the stuff you have at your disposal. And then on top of that, we have a pretty great community of people in here. So they're really fun to trade alongside with every day and work with. I really appreciate them. And you've got me to help you out. So I am responding to people's DMs all the time. So take advantage of that as well. But that's really all I have for you guys. Thank you for checking us out. Like I said, here's the link to sign up. Here's where you can sign up. And here you go. Thanks, guys. And I hope to see you on the inside.